we have one of the smartest guy amongst the group. So, can we see what do you think you have got nominated? Oh! So, can you just tell me what do you think you will win the award? Is it Mr. Stylish or is it Single Mingle or what is it?
I'm not exactly sure, but then I don't know. Now these girls might have voted for everything.
Oh! That's great. So, we'll wait and watch for that. But what do you think you would rightly fit into?
Single mingle, I believe I can.
All girls there who are just a single. So here is a guy who's smart and who's just waiting for you girls to come. So you're most welcome to come down to him straight and yeah, he has something to say.
Should I give my mobile number?
Not necessarily a mobile number, but I think you guys can straight away come to him and talk to him in person today because he's all time free and he's every time free. So you guys are most welcome to come down and meet me. But apart from that, whom do you think will win the Titans of Challenge today?
Titans of Challenge. I've heard there are two teams competing close by, like Rock On and Cool Cruisers. Let's see. It's up to us now, audience. Let us see how we are gonna clap them and encourage them based on that.
It's a secret. He's a part of one of the teams, but let's see which team does he want to disclose. Where I mean, let's see which is the team that he wants to be voted. But then there's a lot of preparation done from his side. And can you just tell me, are you from NIT Limited or NIT Technologies?
NIT Limited.
So can you tell me now that will NIT Limited win or will NIT Technologies win?
Obviously, my team will win.
Yes, his team will win, and all you girls who are single, I'm again telling you, you can straight come to him. He's the most smartest guy amongst the crowd here, and please just go ahead and you have he's welcoming each one of you to come down and meet him. He doesn't want to give his mobile number. There's no forms to be filled. He's all there. Anytime you can come down and meet him. Thank you so much, Remis, and we look forward that you really win an award.
And also take a girlfriend home.
He also wants to take a girlfriend home, and that's a secret. So any one of you who are interested can straight come to him. Thank you.